Did you know that eating chilies induces a rush of endorphins in the brain? So they're a feel-good fruit. Plus, they're fiery and fabulous. So why not bring a touch of spice to your garden and kitchen this season with a whole world of chilies? If you're feeling hot, then you might like to grow chilli India with long, slender red fruit and a hot taste. Perfect for curries and stir-fries. Or journey across the border to China and grow these long red beauties, which have a medium to hot taste, ideal for livening up salads and marinades. Or samba over to Brazil and grow these red and green beauties, which are medium in size and flavour. I love using potted chilies as centerpieces on my outdoor tables because they provide colour throughout the warmer months, and of course that fiery fruit. And a hot looking plant like this deserves a hot looking pot. Now it's time to pimp these pots. So I've just got my hands on some plain terracotta pots and some chalkboard paint. I'm going to show you a really cute way to label your plants. So you start by masking out the area of the pot that you don't want to cover with paint. I'm just using a nice high quality painter's tape. And just turn your pot over, make sure the surface is nice and clean, and then give it a good spray. Just make sure you shake the can for a good minute first. Now just remove the painter's tape while the paint is still wet. Now that chalkboard paint should be touch dry in about 20 minutes, and if you think it needs a second coat, just wait 2 hours. Wait a good 24 hours before you write on the chalkboard paint, and condition the surface first by rubbing the side of a piece of chalk evenly over the surface of the pot. Wipe it off with a duster and it's ready to go. So now you don't have to jump on a plane to get a world of exotic flavour in your garden and kitchen.